Good morning, this is Yuki and this is another episode of your Daily Milli. If you are new to this channel, welcome. I hope you'll enjoy the video. And if you do, make sure you like and subscribe. Milli is the community coin of SEI. It is only 2 weeks old, but it's already the #1 meme coin on SEI network. Now, if you're wondering how to buy Milli, I invite you to visit the website milli.org, where you can find all the information on how to buy, how to follow the charts, how to check the listing on CoinGecko and the listing on CoinMarketCap. They also show you how to buy by creating a wallet, getting some SEI, and buying on Astroport. If you want a more complete tutorial, I'll put a link in my description to a tutorial video that I made just for that, and that you can find on my YouTube channel, along with tons of videos about Milli and some other videos about other projects on SEI network. Now let's have a look at what's happening in the Milliverse. First, on their Twitter account as usual, and just like yesterday, you can see that we gained another 200 followers overnight. And this shows you two things. One, that we're still very early, and two, that we are growing fast. No big news today on the Twitter account, but we're still surfing on a tsunami of meme from the meme competition, with some high quality content created by the community to try and get that 20 million Milli prize. Now if we head over to the Discord, we can check that the last announcement is about the engagement competition, which is running every week, and which mobilized the Milli army to like, retweet and comment any post promoted by the Milli account on Twitter. So between the engagement competition, the meme competition, and hopefully soon an ambassador program, Milli understood that rewarding the community is the absolute key to the success. And it's working. The chat is always super active, with a real positive vibe, boosted by the constant messages from the buy bot, which goes crazy every time someone buys a new bag of Milli. And there has been a lot of people buying yesterday. Let's go over to the chart. But first, a quick roundup of the crypto market at the moment. We can see that Bitcoin is consolidating at 68,000, which is still above previous all-time high, which to me shows how strong it is right now. Now looking at SEI, we can see that it's been pumping really hard yesterday, pulling itself up to the top 3 of the biggest increase on the day. We are way above $1, and I don't think we'll ever come back below. So congrats to all the early adopters. And while SEI was going crazy, Milli was going absolutely insane. And I'm not gonna tell you I told you so, but I freaking told you so. Yesterday in my video, I drew something along these lines, which is pretty much exactly what has happened. And we smashed all-time high to now test the resistance, going back up. And once we're above that line, I wish I was able to predict what's gonna happen, but we're gonna be in complete price discovery with a whole new support. My prediction is that we're about to see a massive pump, followed by a consolidation entering a new triangle with a very strong support matching our previous all-time high. At this point, I would recommend not to play the swings, because you might very well just lose your bag. So just hold on to what you have, buy some more, and enjoy the ride. That's it for today's video. Remember that nothing I said is financial advice. Only invest money you can afford to lose, and don't forget to have fun. Cheers!